In the previous lecture, we discussed that whether the reorganization of provinces into states should be their basis on language or not. And we discussed that after applying so many angles, ultimately no decision was taken. And then after death of we can say martyr in Andhra Pradesh, Potti Sri Ramadu. After that hunger strike for 56 days, then Andhra Pradesh was created. And we are saying we believe in what we can say democratic process. We believe in peaceful way of discussion and all that. This is actually the government run by Congress under the leadership of the great Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. But history repeats. After formation of such state, there was agitation in Maharashtra. Keep in mind, at that time there was no state that is called as Maharashtra. Britishers intentionally break down this entire Maharashtra into pieces. Some pieces were intentionally, some were not intentionally. Say for example, Hyderabad was a princely state, which was comprising of Marathwada region of Maharashtra. Vidarbha, original name Vidarbha, Britishers called it as bearer. Because of lack of connectivity to rest of Maharashtra, bearer was connected to central province. Whereas remaining parts of Maharashtra, then Gujarat and Sindh. Alright, let me clarify on the map. This issue we can discuss on basis of this map. I'm just drawing a rough map here. The map is not according to scale. It is just to explain few ideas. So, what was the extent here? Rough, I am giving you extent. So, this is almost we can consider present Maharashtra, Goa. Whereas, at that time, I am drawing a blue line. So some sort we can consider this way. This was Vidarbha, which is called as bearer by Britishers. This is Marathwada region, whereas this is Konkan, this is western part of Maharashtra, this is northern part of Maharashtra. This is Gujarat, this is Sindh territory, now it is in Pakistan. So total Bombay presidency or Bombay province, what they were calling, it was inclusive of Sindh territory in Pakistan, Gujarat, Konkan, western parts of Maharashtra and northern part of Maharashtra. Apart from that, Aden, that is in Gulf of Aden, Arabian Peninsula, that was also part of Bombay presidency. So according to Act of 1935, Aden was separated from Bombay presidency. According to that same act, they separated out Sindh. So this Sindh is separated from Bombay province. And the remaining part, that is Gujarat, Konkan, western Maharashtra and parts of northern Maharashtra, they were considered as Bombay princely state, Bombay province. Now, after formation of Andhra Pradesh as linguistic state, then Punjab was there. Then remaining, as we discussed, various states, they were having their language identity. So similar type of demand rose from Bombay Presidency. Gujarati speakers were interested in formation of Gujarat, whereas Marathi speakers were interested in formation of Maharashtra. Now, they were having idea that we had to connect. Now, by that time, Hyderabad princely state was dissolved in India. So they were having idea that this Marathwada should dissolve, and from central province we had to take bearer, that is Vidarbha. And we want a separate state, that is Maharashtra, by formation of this. At that time it was named as Sanyukta Maharashtra. That means by joining all these pieces, fragments, by that time Nehru government carried out one more thing. Say for example, there was a state that is called as Mysore state. Initially this state was formed, and then certain provinces of Maharashtra were given to Mysore state, that is Belgaum, Karwar and Nipani. So all this region, this is around Goa. So Belgaum is to the Belgaum and Nipani, they are towards Kolhapur side, whereas Karwar is towards coastal side. So these all districts were given to Mysore, that is Karnataka. Now there was agitation, but Congress government was not paying any attention. And then agitation was tremendous. There was dispute that if we are going to separate out these two states, then Mumbai should be given to Gujarat or Mumbai should be given to Maharashtra. Like that dispute was there. And finally, Chief Minister of this joint state, that was Morarji Desai. I'm not saying Honorable Chief Minister. The thing is that he ordered fire, congressman, believe in non-violence, and ordered fire on those who were protesting non-violently at Flora Fountain region of Mumbai, where more than 100 become martyr, many people get injured. Today we rename that Flora Fountain as Hutatma Chowk. And after that, tremendous agitation was there. Political parties also united, Hindu Mahasabha, Shiv Sena at that time. Then the great name Acharya Atre. All these people united and they demanded Sanyukta Maharashtra. And finally, after this sacrifice, blood sacrifice, Nehru said, all right. And then Maharashtra state was formed and Gujarat state was formed. Yet, as usual, certain problems are there. That means Dang district of Maharashtra was given to Gujarat. It's disputable area, but it was given to Gujarat, and state was separately formed. So today we have a separate state, that is Gujarat, and separate state, that is Maharashtra. So initially, as we discussed, there were 14 states. Now number of states increases to 15. If you are going to eastern part of India, I am saying eastern part of India, in old days, that means during British rule, we were calling them as Bengal. It was part of Bengal province. But prior to that, certain states or certain region that was acquired from Myanmar. At that time, it was called as Brahmadesh. Britishers were not able to pronounce this complicated pronunciation as Brahmadesh. They started calling this as Burma. So we acquired, Britishers acquired certain land from the Brahmadesh, or that is Burma, today's Myanmar, at that time. And then that was annexed to Bengal territory. After freedom, this is all hilly area. In ancient period, we are calling them as hilly states, mountainous area, or Parvatiya Kshetra. So like that. Various tribals were living over there. You are aware, we discussed certain laws. At that time, when missionaries were allowed to enter in India, it was with prior permission to Director Board of Company, and at that time missionaries were allowed to enter in this territory. The conversion process started, and then the Naga Bhumi, they demanded that our language should be English and we want separate state on basis of that, but now it is not called as Naga Bhumi, it is called as Naga land. So in 1963, the state of Nagaland was formed for the demand of Nagas, the name of tribe over that or people at that region. But prior to formation of full state, from 1961, the territory was under control of Governor of Assam only. However, in 63 they got a state, and now total number of states in India becomes 16. At freedom part of India, time of India, at that time there was huge province that is called as Punjab. Now, in 1935, Punjab was partitioned off, and northwest frontier region that was separated from Punjab territory, that was carried out by Britishers. While leaving India, Britishers decided to break down India into Pakistan and India, two dominations. At that time, there was dispute because the principle is applied, that is the Muslim majority region should be given as Pakistan. Then entire Punjab was not Muslim dominated, and therefore it was decided to break up Punjab. A commission was set up under a person named as Radcliffe, and he made a line that is called as Radcliffe line, that is the partition line of Punjab. So this is again partition of Punjab between East Punjab and West Punjab. West Punjab was given to Pakistan, East Punjab was there in India. It is called as Punjabi Subha at that time. But as this linguistic states formation started, then there was demand that Punjabi speakers should have Punjab, a separate state, whereas Haryanvi speakers, or rather Hindi dominated area, should be given as Haryana. And like that, a dispute was there. A commission was set up that is called as Shah Commission. In April 1966, they decided that there should be split of Punjab, and Punjab was split up as Haryana and Punjab to different states, whereas hilly area of Punjab that was connected to Union territory that is called as Himachal Pradesh. So totally Punjab Subha was divided into three parts, rather I should say, today's Punjab state, today's Haryana state, and parts of Himachal Pradesh. At that time Himachal Pradesh was Union territory. So okay, it is no bad thing that one can form state very easily if demand is there. But thing is that after formation of state, Congress government was confused as usual. Means they kept common capital for Haryana and Punjab. I don't know why. Many cities are there in Haryana as well as many cities are there in Punjab. So why they kept Chandigarh as common capital of Haryana and Punjab, it is beyond my imagination. If you are able to get proper answer, you can mention in the comment that why common capital was there. And again, Chandigarh was not belonging to anybody, is not belonging to anybody. Chandigarh is Union territory. It is neither belonging to Punjab nor belonging to Haryana. Even High Court for Punjab and Haryana is the same. Whereas various projects, inclusive of irrigation and all that, they are running in the both state commonly. So the first thing, why they separated out Haryana and Punjab, and if separated, then why don't they separate it out entirely as independent states under dominion status? So that is not very clear. But this way, Punjab and Haryana, two states were formed. That's why we are saying now number increases to 70. Because yet Himachal Pradesh is not considered as a state. It was part of Union territory.